Just now you said that you were interested in the 5 previous empires in the Milky Way, and you wanted to know the history of each empire. I won't tell you in detail, because the origin, formation, development, war, integration, unification, rise and fall, survival and death of each empire in the Milky Way are too much to say, and it is not the history of your human country that can be summarized in a few words. If you want to understand it all, let alone 3 days, even your lifetime is not enough to appreciate it. Let's do this. I ask the Alliance to input the history of the rise and fall of the 5 empires into the nanochip in your body, and the Alliance will not collect it after you leave. Now I will tell you that the 5th generation of the Milky Way Empire is 3.1 billion years away from now, and there has been no unified galaxy empire since then, and it has continued to this day. Because after the 5 generations of the Milky Way Empire, a total of 1.6 billion years of development history, all the races and civilizations in the Milky Way have seen many reasons, or truths, and have realized that it is not necessary to establish a galaxy empire, and it is better to integrate all races and develop together. All races in the Milky Way will explore the vast universe when they are promoted to intermediate civilization. This is the real travel, learning and progress. In your Chinese ancient saying, it is the real freedom. Therefore, there has been no more galactic empire since then. All races that have developed to intermediate civilization will find ways to leave the Milky Way, making the Milky Way more and more deserted and no longer as lively as before. Later, the ancestral civilizations of our Earth, Mars, and Venus appeared. After a long period of fighting and struggle, they became advanced civilizations. They came to the center of the Milky Way and learned from some like-minded advanced civilizations to become the first super civilization and establish the Star Alliance. It means the great unification of all races, which is different from the autocratic system of the previous empire. The laws of the Milky Way that have been formulated have been peaceful until now, proving that the great unification of all races is the life that all races want. When the technology of intelligent races develops to the intermediate civilization, which is at least the 3rd level civilization as classified by your scientists, they have completely mastered anti-gravity technology, gravity, electromagnetism, space, and other physical laws. Energy is no longer a problem. If they are interested, they will only capture a few species for research. This is also the reason why intermediate and advanced civilizations are not interested in weak civilizations, including the Earth and the solar system, which allows weak civilizations on most planets to develop safely. When they develop into advanced civilizations, they will explore the multiverse and will not be interested in our solar system. So, the dark forest law in your science fiction novels and the problems of dimensionality reduction attacks will not occur. If you think about it carefully, you will understand. For example, if you are a billionaire, will you go to the forest to hunt to feed yourself? No, because you have enough money to feed your family, you will not affect the lives weaker than you at all.